Hey everybody, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. It is April 9th. It is early in the morning. My dogs got me up early to go to the bathroom for some reason. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. They got me up about 5:30, so now I'm awake. And I wanted to show you something that somebody gave me. A friend of mine is from Cindy Crawford. I am not somebody that kind of buys into this kind of stuff, stuff that I see sold on infomercials or things like that. I will kind of go through it and show you what was in this kit and kind of how I feel about it. So when you first open this up, it says Meaningful Beauty Cindy Crawford's Daily Essentials System. Do you think she really uses this? Maybe she does. I don't know. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. This is what the packaging looks like inside. I'll go through everything that's in here, tell you, kind of how I feel about it. Now, what's interesting is there's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4. There's supposed to be 5 things in this box, and one of them is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think the one that's missing is this one. So I'm not going to be able to tell you about that. Oh no, here it is. It was stuck way in the box. There it is. Okay, so let's go over everything in this box. This is kind of fun. It's something I would never buy myself. I just don't kind of buy this kind of stuff, but I thought it was kind of cool that it was given to me. So it says a streamlined system with essentials for younger looking radiant skin. Step 1, a skin softening cleanser, which is skin softening cleanser. That's this. And let me see what this is like. Let me pop this open. This is very much first impressions, guys. Now I definitely will use this cleanser. I probably will use everything in here just to kind of use it. I always like to mix in other moisturizers, cleansers maybe that I'm not as keen on with ones that are kind of my ride or die skincare products, just to kind of use them up. I hate when they wrap things with all this plastic wrapped around it. It drives me. I know they have to do it to prevent leaking, but then you can't get it off. I need an X-Acto knife to get this off. Hold on. So this is the cleanser container, and let me see what the consistency of this is. Comes out. I hardly smell really any scent at all. Cleanser. I just washed my face, so I don't necessarily want to wash my face again. It may not lather up at all. It doesn't look like it's something that would lather even if I put water on it. It's not bad. It reminds me a little bit of the Fresh soy cleanser in the way that the consistency of it feels. And even though I like Fresh soy cleanser, it's not my favorite. I still like a very frothy kind of foaming cleanser, but I'll definitely use this. This is supposed to actually soften, put it on your skin, and it's going to help to soften your skin. Then the next step 2, is the Cindy Crawford Youth Activating Melon Serum. Oh, about this cleanser, it says it's a gentle, creamy cleanser that washes away makeup and impurities without stripping, leaving your skin soft and smooth and hydrated. So that is that. Then I'm going to do step 2, which is the Youth Activating Melon Serum. And sorry about this, guys, but it also has this plastic on it. I'm gonna have to get off. Plastic. It says this is a super boost facial serum that harnesses the anti-aging power of Meaningful Beauties, which is the name of her kit, Next Generation Melon Leaf Stem Cell Technology. I don't know much about melon leaf stem cell technology or what it does, but it says it is going to visibly plump and firm the skin. Apply 1 pump to clean skin in the morning and at night. How does this work? So does this top come off? Oh, so it looks like it's one of those twisty things. Twist it. There's not much in this kit. You can see this is just kind of a starter kit. So you're going to twist this up, pump this out. Comes out like a gel more. It says to use 1 pump. So let me put 1 pump on my skin. It feels nice. It feels kind of cushiony, really. When I say cushiony, it's kind of bouncy feeling gel. So let me put this. My skin right now is super dry. I had a reaction to a skincare product and it really dried my skin out. So this actually feels pretty nice. I don't know necessarily, if it's going to do anything amazing for my skin, but it actually feels really good going on my skin. Then there is a step 3 that you do in the AM and a step 4 that you do in the PM, but I'll show you both. Step 3 that's done in the AM, I believe, is this. It's the anti-aging day cream. It has environmental protection, broad spectrum, SPF 30. It's a multitasking moisturizer and sunscreen in one, designed to reduce damage from the sun's rays, infrared and blue light. In the morning, apply a thin layer onto the face and neck and follow with the Youth Activating Melon Serum. Wait a second. But it said step 2 was the Youth Activating Melon Serum. It's saying in the description of this that the multitasking moisturizer and sunscreen goes on before the Youth Activating Melon Serum, even though they list the Youth Activating Melon Serum as step 2, and this is step 3. I don't understand that. Anyway, this is what the anti-aging day cream container looks like. It's a little pump. And I'm going to pump some of this out. It's a moisturizer and sunscreen combined. Already I can tell I like the consistency of it because it's a little thicker. It smells just like a regular sunscreen. Not much scent to it, really. Let's see what is in this. This has oxybenzone and avenobenzone. Just so you know, this is a chemical sunscreen, just so you know. And you're going to put this all over. You guys know I'm a big sunscreen user on my face and my neck. That goes on all over your face. And then let me show you what the other step is. Step 4 would be the lifting eye cream. This is a lightweight, gentle cream that helps to smooth the fragile skin around your eyes, diminishing the look of fine lines and wrinkles and dark circles. It says use morning and evening following cleansing and moisturizing. So I'm assuming this would go on now because it does say step 4. Let me put this on my eye area. And when I put stuff on my eyes, I kind of put it all around the top area and where the crow's feet are. Let's do this side. Let's do this side. Okay. Alrighty. That feels good. Doesn't seem to irritate my eyes or burn my eye area, which is nice. So that would be probably all I would do in the AM. And then at night, instead of putting on the sunscreen, you would put this cream on. This is the Age Recovery Night Cream with melon extract and retinol. So I will definitely use this at night, but I'll show you what it looks like. It says it's an intensely hydrating overnight treatment that uses their melon, which must be their kind of trademark product or something, their melon super antioxidants with powerful retinol to improve the look of fine lines, wrinkles, firmness, elasticity, and texture of your skin while you sleep. Again, no smell. This is all that was in the container. That was it. Where's the rest of it? I mean, it should theoretically be filled to the top all the way around. Everything kind of went to the side, and there must not have been that much in there to begin with. Anyway, I don't even know how much this costs. Again, I would not buy this myself. So this is what the night cream looks like. I'm just going to put a little bit on. No smell. A little thicker, feels good to me. I don't know how much retinol really is actually in here because there's nothing listed for it. But that's it. That's everything in this Cindy Crawford Daily Essentials system. I'll use everything in here, but I would purchase this myself. Probably she got this from either, I don't know, HSN QVC. I don't think she shops online for this kind of stuff, but she got it and she decided to give it to me. I'll put the name of this down in my description box. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. I hope you enjoyed seeing what was in here. Bye-bye from Marla.